man is not the same as the courage to go to work every day, digging in a mine at a job from which you may never come away. Truth is a word these days that's thrown about for money. Some use it in politics for telling people how they should behave, while others use it on TV as if what they were defiling were funny. Meanwhile, in a hot smoking factory, the truth is something they crave. Honesty has a very long history in the mouths of so many people, politicians and bankers and lawyers and such. They cry it out in the streets and sing it out in the steeps for the people who labor and fear for their health. It don't mean much. Daring was once considered a virtue, from flying to science. Now daring is an entertainment activity paid for on vacation. Mostly a spectator sport these days, can't tell if it's original with any reliance. Daring still draws attention and gasps for its deadly fascination. Knowledge isn't mentioned as wisdom and smarts. If you have to ask, you don't know. That's the fact. Now related to money, humor, and false starts, it's how they catch you off guard and get you to react. There once was a man from the coast, tricked out a ship, set to sea, of his work and his daring would boast, till a storm took him from his family. There once was a man in the mountains who worked all day in the earth, cracked open a wall, watery fountains brought him back to the world of earth. There was a farming in the fields, spreading chemicals he was told were all fine. Though they seemed to increase yields, the produce wasn't nutritious. From the spraying he lost his mind. They were braving the elements, daring with life. They lost their health by increments, families paid with strife. They brought home food and good things for children and wife, never knowing why the bird sings, beware for your life. There once was a mansion, as wisdom and smarts. If you have to ask, you don't know, and that's the fact. Now related to money, humor, and false starts, it's how they catch you off guard and get you to react.